In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see recently viewed items on Etsy, perfect for beginners who might be exploring this vibrant online marketplace for the first time. If you've ever found yourself browsing through Etsy, coming across a beautiful item, but then moved on and thought, I wish I could find that again, don't worry. This is the tutorial for you. We're going to guide you step by step so you can easily find those items you viewed earlier. Let's start with the first step. Logging into Etsy. Pull up your favorite web browser, it could be Chrome, Firefox, or another you prefer, and type in Etsy.com into the address bar. Press Enter, and you're on your way. Now, if you already have an Etsy account, look for the Sign In button, generally located at the top right corner of the page. Click on that, enter your email address and password, and log in. For those who don't have an account yet, you'll need to click on Register and follow the prompts to get set up. Once you're signed in, we'll move on to the next step. Next, let's head over to the Etsy homepage. If you're not there already after logging in, that's all right. You can easily find the homepage link by clicking on the Etsy logo at the top left corner of the screen. Once you're on the homepage, you should see a variety of product listings and categories awaiting your browsing pleasure. Now we're getting to the good part. Now from the home page, let's go down to the section labeled Recently Viewed. This might require a bit of scrolling, so use your mouse or trackpad to scroll down the page. Keep an eye out for the Recently Viewed section, which often appears a little way down, showcasing those intriguing items you browsed through earlier. Once you've found the Recently Viewed section, it's as simple as selecting the items you want to revisit. You'll see, likely in a horizontal row, a gallery of the items that recently caught your eye. If an item piques your interest once again, simply click on it to be taken back to the item page, Biki. Here you can take a closer look, add it to your cart, or even save it to your favorites for easy access later. This feature is really handy not only for rediscovering items that stood out to you, but also in aiding your decision-making process as you shop. And there you have it. By utilizing the Recently Viewed feature on Etsy, you can make your shopping experience more pleasant and efficient, ensuring you never miss out on those unique finds. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to explore the site further and become familiar with all the great features Etsy offers. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial.